Here we are on the mighty Murray. 3,500 kilometres long, and the water source starts in the Snowy Mountains. One drop of water from a leaf in the Snowies makes its way down here through the groundwater. I learnt that recently in a documentary. So I'm not just plucking facts out of the air. Anyway, we're on the mighty Murray for the first time ever, and I think it's an hour cruise. Should be very enjoyable. It's the old wharf. At quite a great height to cater for the various levels of the river at various times. It was flooded so the boats can still run. Beautiful old steam engine paddling the paddle steamer. Bloody cracking day. Cold last night though. Beautiful little town, Echuca.